So here are the components we are going to be using to build our remote control robot, plus the Arduino software. First, we'll start off with this. This is a momentary on and off switch. It's pretty classical in almost any Arduino or breadboard kit. Next is our most important piece, which is our motor driver. This controls the voltage and signals directly to the motors. Here is our mess of jumper wires. We're going to need at least 16. And then here we have two geared motors with double-sided tape. Velcro tape on the other side and the Velcro part up. Here we have two tires that we can attach onto the gear motors. Here is a binder clip. We're going to use this as using our balancing act to hold the end of the robot together. And here is our Sparkfun red board, and here is our breadboard. And on the bottom, you see there are three Velcro patches. And so this battery pack this is a battery pack that goes here, and both of these will go here. Here like that. So here's the code for our remote controlled robot, and you can see all of our ints, which are our variables and our controls, and then this is our setup, and this is our actual code where we have loop. So here we can see the if, else if, if, and so if we go to the serial commander and input W, it would go forward, and if we do W50, it would go W50 50 in that direction. And so S is backwards, D is right, and A is left. And so with this code, we can basically remote control it straight from the computer back to the robot, the Spark board, the Sparkfun red board, and we can control it using W, S, D, or A, and selecting a direction or how long we want it to run in that direction. So we'll start with uploading our sketch. Hit upload, check. That looks like it's done. This is good. And so to start the program, let's start by flicking this switch right here to the on position, and open the serial monitor, which is over here, and we can type in our commands. So let's try going forward, D50. Wow. Okay, let's try going backwards. A50, and then click enter. Looks like this really works. How about turning? Let's try that. Let's try. Let's see what happens. enter. Hey, look at that, it turns. Looks like it's a tank turn, and well, this motor spins backwards. This motor seems to be going forward, so effectively turning it. I'd say this is a success. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks for helping me grow and my channel grow. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome videos like this. And so next week, I'm thinking we go Tesla and try to make this self-driving. Stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next video.